Hey Nick and Ryan, one more video. I wanted to show you that the locked rotor fault actually does work. The reason it doesn't seem like it works is that if I index the motor, you can see it move. And if I index the motor, let's see if I can get my video here. If I index the motor and I hold the shaft, even when I hold it still, it's not tripping. And it's supposed to trip after 2 seconds of a locked rotor condition. So I'm holding it 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. It's still fighting. And it completes the move and then lets me index it again. What I found is that locked rotor condition works this way. You have this concept of a lead leg limit. So when I tell it to move, it's got to move to its relative distance or absolute distance. And if it sees that no encoder counts are occurring, if there's no encoder movement, meaning the rotor is locked in place, it's jammed, there's no movement, it starts this countdown timer from 0 to, well, the default is 2 seconds, but that can be changed. And if it sees even one slight encoder count, it will restart that timer to 2 seconds again. And that's why, by holding it with your hand, you don't see the locked rotor condition ever happen. Because it's the encoder, I mean, you can breathe on the motor and the encoder will move one count. So a better way to test this is to really lock the rotor up. And so I will take this wrench and I will show you that when I index it, I'll let it move a little bit, but then I'll grab the wrench and prevent it from moving. And you will see that it will actually fault out. Right now you can see it fighting it back to that position. In both directions it's doing that. Okay, but watch this now. I'm going to index it. I'm going to let it move, but then I'm going to lock it up. Okay, now watch this. I'm going to hold it 1,000, 2, 1,000. Just fault it out. So that is a locked rotor condition. There cannot be any movement of the shaft whatsoever, or it restarts that timer. Hope that helps.